Dear friends, we would like to introduce our smart lighting system for industrial manufacturing for you. The first part is design concept. At first, let's analyze the market situation of industrial lighting. As we can see in the forecast of global industrial LED lighting industry market scale from 2014 to 2024, the statistic keeps increasing. And the number of 2024 is almost twice times than that of 2019. Which means that LED industrial light has a huge market and broad prospect. And there are trends for you to seize this opportunity. Lower the operating cost and improve the productivity and safety. As for operating cost, it's time to replace those fluorescent and HID lights with LED lighting. LED lighting can provide up to 60% less energy spend than traditional lighting systems. Also, save money by reducing maintenance costs with long-life LEDs that provide long-lasting quality. Smart LED lighting further reduce personnel management costs, and improve management efficiency. Don't let insufficient or poor lighting hurt productivity. According to people's rhythm work and rest habits, smart LED lighting has all-weather automatic adjustment of light brightness and color temperature to improve employee work efficiency. In the aspect of safety, LED lighting helps maximize safety in your operations and reduce those expensive workplace accidents. The right lighting will foster a safe environment, providing your employees the comfort they need to do their best job every day. These three trends are well revealed in the application of light fixture from incandescent light to fluorescent on, E and then LEM1, finally controlled by smart lighting system. What can smart LED lighting bring compared to traditional LED lighting? In control method, traditional industrial lighting is on-site manual control of the strong current switch. Smart One provide mobile app, smart panel, touch screen, cloud SaaS and other options. In device management, traditional lighting rely on regular inspections by management personnel to check the status of lighting equipment and damage to lamp. The latter one can through unified control of the management platform to feedback management of various operating states at real time. There are also some difference in control function, continuous energy saving and lamp protection as following. The second part is product. Firstly, our smart vapor tight light is based on Bluetooth mesh technology. By using high luminous LED chips, the lumen efficiency can highly up to 130 lm per watt, which has already have DLC 5.1 Premium and DTL listed. Built-in motion and daylight sensor will reserve the nice design for simple and smart. As the function list showed, controlled by app or SaaS. Smart tri-proof lights can perform multiple functions including dimming, timer, scene changing, sensing, group control, etc. There are different lighting solutions for you to choose from. Smart vapor tight light can be applied in the storage place for goods and the working places for worker in the manufacturing. This light has 120 to 277 volts and 120 to 347 volts for option. CCT can be 3000K 5000K app tunable and 0 to 100% app dimmable. Second is our smart wall pack. Through external motion and daylight sensor and equipped with the adapter. It can adjust the angle and the distance of sensing. With classic design, it perfect for wet location, especially on the wall of factory that demand long service and low maintenance. There are multiple watts for you to choose from. CCT 3000K 4000K 5000K dip switch adjustable is suitable for usage of the industrial application while meet the needs for stock. Part 3. The installation of lights. Installing the mounting brackets to hang the luminaire is Figure 1. Mounting the LED luminaire into a sheetrock ceiling or wall is Figure 2. Attaching the mounting bracket to the luminaire housing is Figure 3. Hanging the luminaire is Figure 4. When you have completed the gear tray and attached diffuser assembly terminations to the incoming supply line conductors, you can use the mobile phone or PC platform SaaS system for intelligent lighting control as Figure 5. Accessing the wiring compartment as Figure 6. As for wall pack. Step 1. As Figure 1. Remove 2 screws and the rear cover of light and pull the connector. Step 2 to 1. Onto a recessed 4 inches rectangular/octagonal J-box. 1. Verify that supply power is off and that the J-box is securely mounted within the structural surface. 2. Remove both J-box fasteners from J-box, set aside for reinstallation as needed. 3. Drill holes as J-box required on the rear cover. 4. Position rear cover over J-box feeding supply wires through the center of the rear cover and slit-in gasket. Replace fasteners from step 2, do not fully lighten. 5. Using a contractor level. Ensure rear cover is level and fully tighten fasteners. Use washers as required to ensure a secure fit. Step 2 to 2. Conduit stub up as figure 3. 1. Drill holes on the rear cover as auxiliary mounting holes. 2. Verify that supply power is off. Using a contractor level, ensure rear cover is level and mark mounting surface through selected auxiliary mounting holes. 3. Drill holes as marked in step 1 and install appropriate mounting inserts capable of handling fixture load requirements. 4. Feed supply wires through the center of the rear cover and slit-in gasket. 5. Ensure rear cover is level. Fully tighten fasteners, use washers as required to ensure a secure fit. Step 2 to 3. Conduit surface E as figure 3. 1. Drill holes on the rear cover as auxiliary mounting holes. 2. Verify that supply power is off. Using a contractor level, ensure rear cover is level and mark mounting surface through selected auxiliary mounting holes. 3. Drill holes as marked in step 1 and install appropriate mounting inserts capable of handling fixture load requirements. 4. Ensure rear cover is level. Fully tighten fasteners, use washers as required to ensure a secure fit. 5. Attach half NPT conduit fittings using the appropriate EMT rain-tight compression connections. Not provided, onto the factory machined conduit entry opening. Step 3. As figure 4. Make supply wire, power and dimming, to fixture wire connections as required through splice access. The voltage driver permits operation at 120 volts to 277 volts, 120 volts to 347 volts, 200 volts to 480 volts, 50 or 60 Hz. 0 to 10 volts control wires must be rated for 300 volts minimum, for 0 to 10 volts dimming. Follow the wiring directions as shown in figure below. Step 4. As figure 5. Fixture slightly upward, align fixture housing indicators with rear cover hooks and slip fixture back onto hooks and insert the connector. Step 5. As figure 6. Close the housing indicators to the rear cover and fully tighten fasteners. The bottom shell is sprayed with glue and tightly sealed to the wall. The fifth part is case study for your reference. Firstly is the case study for Smart Vapor Tight Light. Phil is a project manager at a processing plant. The plant in Detroit is still using a large number of fluorescent tubes. This troubled Phil, now that the fluorescent lamp has reached the end of its life cycle. We need a new solution, a reliable and energy-saving solution. The pain point for customer is the workshop uses sensor lights without dimming function. With an average illuminance of 135 lux. The workshop lighting cannot be controlled by area, and the daily electricity consumption is huge. When the fault cannot be accurately located, a lot of manpower and time costs are consumed. Our engineer Richard provided smart lighting solutions according through using LED high bay light/LED vapor tight light. Each set of luminaires is equipped with a Bluetooth controller. And the site is equipped with a gateway and router. The average illuminance was 575 lux. Secondly is the case study for smart wall pack lighting applying in warehouse. Tom, an equipment manager for a company, was looking for a lighting solution for a warehouse facility in Detroit. This is a 78,000 square foot warehouse. He used HID wall pack to illuminate the outdoor area, and it is time to change those traditional lights. The pain point for customer is a 175W or 250W HID fixture. Very common wattages for wall pack light fixtures. Can cost up to $91 in addition to $131 to operate per lamp. Per year, in electricity alone. And maintenance can easily cost up to $4,459 in labor and material. To maintain a single wall pack light fixture over the course of 3 years. With the same quantity but less watt. Mortstar 400 series 40 watts LED wall pack with control luminaires were installed throughout the facility. The 400 series is a high-efficiency luminaire that produces more light while consuming less energy than traditional metal luminaires. The connected load was reduced by 70%. And the smart lighting control system allowed for additional electricity savings of up to 10% thanks to the integrated sensors. Thank you for your watching.